Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in the series of Python programming, we are seeing some programs related to functions. So I hope you have watched the previous video in which I discussed about the Fibonacci series program in Python using functions. So here I am just going to create a new program file, and this is program 47. I hope you all are just doing the programs with me because that will be really beneficial for you if you are doing the programs with me. Really beneficial because it helps you to practice the program. If you are just watching the videos, so it is like not of any use, you will forget them. If you are practicing with me, then it will be beneficial. So here in this particular video I'm going to discuss the program for factorial, but yes, using functions. So here I'm just creating a function for the factorial. So this fact I have created, and I'm passing one argument here, that is n. So f equals to 1 I have taken, and here I'm taking for I in range, and here I'm taking 1 to n plus 1. If you are new to this channel and you have not watched the previous video, so maybe you are just getting confused, maybe. So if you are getting confused, the whole playlist is here. This is program 47. We have already done 46 programs, so please watch the previous lectures. That will be helpful to you to understand this one. And now I'm just going to return the value of f here, and let's make it fully user defined. So I'm just taking here, so the user can input the value for which he want to calculate the factorial. So I'm just writing enter a number. Okay, then we will be just taking this result, and I'm just calling this fact function, the factorial function, and I'm passing this x here. And then because we are using this return, so we just have to print also the message. So for that I'm taking factorial, and here I'm taking res. So basically res is having the resultant that we are printing. So I'm just going to run this program, and you can see it's really simple to create the function programs and these kind of programs in Python. It's so simple, and a small line of codes are here. I'm just taking 5, and you can see the factorial of 5 is simply here, and that is correct. Let's run this program once again with some other value. Suppose I'm taking 7. Okay, so you can see it's working very properly. The program is correct. Okay, so here what we have done, we have just created a function, and this function we have called here and on the line number 8. So what is happening, as this line 8 is executing, it is just calling this value with it, and it is calling this function. And here what we are doing, we are just creating the code for the factorial. I hope there is no confusion in the factorial. It's like 5 factorial means, if I am taking 5 factorial, that means that 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is basically going to be done. That's why you can see that we are working from 1 to n plus 1. So why n plus 1 I have taken, because if I was taking till n, so n is 5 and the last index in the range is always excluded, so it will be taking till 4 only, but we want to calculate till 5 because we want to calculate 5 into I. That means 5 into I, that means whatever is the value of I in the first index, it will be 1, so it will be 5. But if we are not taking here n plus 1, so it will be just taking till 4 only. If you are having any confusion or any query, you can just ask it in the comment section. And if you are having any suggestions, you can just for further video for any program, so you can just post it in the comment section. You can also follow Fame World Educational Hub on Instagram and also on Facebook. So you can also join the WhatsApp group of Fame World Educational Hub. The link is provided in the description. So most welcome in the this WhatsApp group of Fame World Educational Hub.